Hello guys, I'm Rahul Kaushik and first of all I welcome you all on Unacademy JEE English. And guys, today I'm here with totally a new topic, but it's like current affair topic. And today I will discuss guys the air pollution and how the mask help you. Now you will think, sir, why are today we are why today we are here to learn this thing? Because the mask, when I'm talking about the mask guys, so today I'm going to discuss the chemistry behind the air pollution and the mask guys. Okay, how your mask can protect you from the air pollution and what are basic requirements for a good mask. So air pollution, every one of us knows, and we are studying about this air pollution since 7th or 8th standard. Okay, guys. So there are many types of pollution, but now air pollution is every day you will find it in news, and because it's around Diwali, some many a times the reason for it is burning of that parali. So, guys, you understand that. So today I will be discussing the air pollution. But before we start today's class, guys, let me tell you something about myself. So, guys, I'm Rahul Kaushik and I worked in Bansa classes quota for continuous 10 years. Okay, guys. And during my tenure there, guys, I was head of department and I mentored. Just a minute, let me change the color of pen, guys. Just a minute. Yes. And during my tenure there, guys, I mentored 2000 plus IITs. And after that, guys, I co-founded my own organization, that is Jigyan Education Private Limited. And now, along with all that, I'm here on Unacademy, India's largest and fastest growing online platform, to share all my experience with you. Okay, guys. So this is the brief introduction. Now, guys, I will tell you how you can subscribe to Unacademy. So there are some simple steps to subscribe to Unacademy, guys. Just go to Play Store or App Store, download Unacademy's learning app. Once you have downloaded it, guys, install it. And after installing it, guys, you will be directed to this page. And on this page, you have to click on the plus. So once you are clicking on the plus, then you have to choose your goal, guys. Suppose you are preparing for IIT JEE, then choose your goal as IIT JEE, and then, guys, hit this subscription button. This one. Once you are hitting the subscription button, guys, you will be reaching onto this page. And on this page, you have to choose either for 12-month program or for 24-month program. Okay, guys. For 12 month, if you are applying this code, for 2 year you have to pay 50,000, and for 1 year you have to pay 34,000. If you are applying this code Rahul Cam. So remember it, guys. Just Rahul Cam. Rahul my name and Cam for chemistry, guys. Now for 1 year subscription, you have to pay 38,500. For 2 year, you have to pay 56,000. Oh, but don't worry, guys. If you are applying my code, that is Rahul Cam, then instead of 38,000, guys, you just have to pay 34,000, and instead of 56,000, you just have to pay 50,000. Okay, guys, so remember this code. This code is really going to help you in getting that discount. And now, what are the benefits of taking plus subscription, guys? Many of you are asking this thing. So now let me tell you, guys. On YouTube, we are delivering the lectures, but when you're preparing for IIT JEE or any other competitive examinations, then just theory is not complete. Along with theory, you have to focus on the application part. And in order to perform good in the exam, you should also have access to the test series, the real time experience. So, guys, on an Academy Plus, let me tell you what are the advantages you guys are going to get. The advantage number one is your course would be structured. Got it? And along with the structure, guys, second point is you will have live quizzes there, you will have mega quizzes there, and most important thing, you will also have access to the test series conducted by an academy. So, guys, test series is there, and after that, guys, every fourth class will be doubt clearing session. So once you are part of an academy, then you don't have to think twice if you have any doubt, because every fourth class we have doubt session. And last point, guys, you will have access to not just my video lecture and content, but the video lecture and content of all the educators on Unacademy. So video lectures recorded video lectures, and content. So these are all the benefits. And guys, for 1 year, 34,000 is nothing. For 2 year, you just have to pay 50,000. Okay, guys. So this was just all about the fees. So guys, now let's move. So again, this is my brief introduction, guys. Ex-head of department Bansa classes, and I mentor 2000 plus IIT. I think now we can move ahead. So guys, the point number one, air pollution and the mask. Actually, today I will discuss the chemistry. Today I will discuss the chemistry behind mask and behind air pollution. Right? Because in surface chemistry, I was teaching the applications of adsorption. So many students were over and again asking about it. So don't worry, guys. Today I am going to take it. Okay, guys. So first point is air pollution and particulate matter. So what is air pollution and what are these particulate matters? So guys, air pollution you might have seen in your surrounding. Just go to your just move upstairs and stand on your roof, and then guys just look around. You will see, you will find there are many vehicles, and due to vehicles burning of combustion or the partial combustion of diesel or petrol, yes, there will be smoke, and that smoke is coming out. So pollution is caused by chemical pollutant, guys, and these can be in form of gases or particulate matter. So I told you the gases on burning you will be getting SO2, on burning you will be getting CO2 gas, and on partial burning of hydrocarbons you will get CO gas. This gas is poisonous also, guys. This is poisonous. So very important. This is the property of carbon monoxide. Sulfur, sulfur and CO2. Sulfur, if excess of SO2 is present in the atmosphere, guys, then the chemistry behind this SO2 is, so it will mix with the H2O. So when there is a rain, it is going to give you H2SO3. And guys, this is a acid, it will give you this thing. Got it? So due to these H plus, I will call it acid rain. So there are chances of acid rain when there is excess of SO2. And if it rains, then it would be acidic rain. And it is harmful for everyone. Okay, guys. What about the particulate matter? So you might have seen some construction work going on around. So due to that construction work, you might have seen the cement and all those things. So these are very small particles, solid or liquid particles, right? Solid particle from the cement or means around somewhere. What should I say? Especially the cause of this is construction, right? In Delhi NCR, yes, there are so many projects. The government projects are going on highway project. We have uh, what should we have a airport project. So due to those, yes, construction is going on, and due to that construction there are these particulate matters. Now guys, filtration mask aim to prevent the inhalation of particulate matter. So what are these filtration masks? So these are simple masks you might have seen even wearing doctors nowadays. Due to corona, mask has become so omniware, omnipresent. Their presence is everywhere. You just move out of your house and everybody is wearing these masks. So the main purpose of these masks is to remove or to prevent the inhalation of this particulate matter. Still, these masks cannot stop the gases, guys. So this is the point number one. Then guys, let's move. So we have particulate matter PM 2.5, PM 2.5, PM 2.5. What is this PM? Actually, this is something related to size of particle. So inhalation of particles smaller than 2.5 micrometer, right, aggravates the asthma and decrease the lung function. So guys, these are the most dangerous particles. Why these are most dangerous particles? Because the particle having size larger than this, those can be easily filtered by the mask, but these are so small, these are like gases, and not exactly gases, because I told you that these are mainly solids. So what happens when you inhale them? They move to your lungs, right, and they affect functionalities of your lung, and especially they are very dangerous for asthmatic patients, right? So these are those particles, and we want to remove them, these particles, from the air. And if we cannot remove them by reducing the pollution, then how can we remove them? Actually, we can remove them either by using mask, and there is no other way because pollution cannot be controlled in a day or two. Okay, guys. So now let's move to component and sources of PM. So from where these particles are coming, guys? From where? So here I have told you the combustion of fuel, and combustion of fuel you can see in vehicles, the biggest example of. Then you can see in the generators. Yes, in functions, whether you have attended a marriage or something else, you might have seen generators there. Then those are also cause of concern. Then right, mineral components. So guys, aluminum, silicon, Fe, calcium. Yes, in chemistry we talk about these elements every day. So dust from the construction. So I was telling you guys, yes, the major source of these particles, the mineral component are these, and these are dust particle. Major source is construction. So guys, yes, the lead. You might have also heard about the lead in lead acetate battery, lead, nickel, cadmium. So guys, fuel additives, brake and tire wear. And one more thing, guys, we are using the electronic gadgets, right? Electronic gadgets. So if you might have seen the button cell, those are also called mercury cells. So these things are also harmful. When you dispose them off, then these will cause the pollution. And guys, then we have NO3. So this NO3 is always present in the atmosphere. And this is NO3, guys, one of the major concern for pollution. So I'm telling you about the main component and sources of these particles. Okay, guys. So guys, we have we have got all these things. So when there is a rain, so it might get converted into H2SO4. So atmospheric SO2 react with the water, and you know this reaction, it is going to give you H2SO3, right? And this is acidic in nature. So water is present in form of moisture. So nowadays, in Delhi NCR, we have a lot of pollution here. Why? Because the air pressure is very low, and second point, there is no movement in that, right? So guys, these are the major concern. Now I discussed about the main cause of pollution. Now I discussed about the how those gases or particles, what are the major origin of these source, what are the major sources of these particles. Now guys, let's talk about it. Nowadays everybody knows about these masks. So how many of you can tell me about these masks, guys? Tell me. So there are masks like we have N95 and all those written over them. So main thing is the mask. Initially, like I can say just 6 months back, not initially, 6 months back, the purpose of these masks was only to stop those particles, right? Although PM 2.5 cannot be stopped by a normal mask, for them we have to use N95. Now I will discuss what is there in these masks. But nowadays, these due to this corona, guys, everywhere you can find such masks, and we have these masks because purpose of these masks has now major purpose of these masks has now become to stop the coronavirus from spreading from one person to another person. Okay, guys. So you can see these masks, and what is this, guys? These fans. So now I will discuss what should be the properties of a good mask. How well do the filtration mask work? So I'm talking about the normal mask. Many filtration masks claim to be highly efficient at reducing particulate pressure. Actually, they can stop the particles having larger size. Studies have shown that facial fit and movement of the mask can affect the actual exposure experienced by the wearer. But there are many things because you might have seen the people right now, you might have seen people in the market like their mask is here and they are talking. Why I don't I can't understand why they are wearing this mask after all, because mask is here and they want to protect from corona. So the one thing is most of the people don't wear it properly. And then guys, second thing we have, yes, it can stop the particles having bigger size. But what about the smaller ones like 2.5 ppm? So these cannot be stopped by the simple filtration mask. Okay, guys. So what can stop them now? What can stop them now? So normally it is a survey. Best performing masks have mean leakage of 2.3% and the worst performing has 60%. So in India we can assume it would be around this, right? And more than this, not because of mask but because of the wearer who is using that mask, because that mask is never on the nose, that is always here, right guys? So please wear it properly first of all. And guys, then the propylene filter in most mask block only particulate matter, so and not the pollutant gases. So guys, some masks use the activated charcoal, right? You might have studied it in surface chemistry. I hope now you remember it. In surface chemistry you might find it application of what? Tell me guys. Application of adsorption. In application of adsorption, yes, there is a point that charcoal is used in the mask that are used in the coal mines. And what is the role of charcoal? So guys, you know that if you are taking the charcoal here, right, and if we have gases like CO gas, CO2 gas, then charcoal can absorb all those gases over it. So guys, using such mask, yes, even the ppm 2.2, 2.5 particle or the gases can be absorbed. So if you are in polluted area and really want to protect yourself, so guys, you have to spend some bucks and get a very good mask. Okay guys, so this was just a topic. Casually, it's Diwali time and most of you are in festival mood, and I hope guys you are enjoying your Diwali, and I wish you again a very very happy Diwali guys, and celebrate this Diwali and fire the cracker as much as you can use, because pollution will be there, that is not good for health, but nobody can stop you because it's only one day. And pollution is not due to pollution cannot be uh, spreaded only in one day. It is, you have to work. If you really want to control the pollution guys, then you have to work for it for 364 days. Okay guys, if you really like today's class, today's session guys, please share it and like it and click on the bell icon so that you can get latest notification of our lectures. Okay guys, so guys, again there are some simple steps how you can subscribe to Unacademy. Step number one, just click on the plus once you've installed the Unacademy's learning app, and after clicking on the plus guys, choose your goal. And if you are going for IIT JEE, then choose IIT JEE as your goal guys, and then hit the subscription button. And after hitting the subscription button guys, choose your course, whether you are going for 12-month course or you are going for 24-month course. So guys, remember this code Rahul game. If you are applying this code, then let me tell you the advantage of this code. Without this code, you have to pay a fees of 38,000 for 1 year, 56,000 for 2 years. But if you are applying this code guys, then instead of 38,000 you just have to pay 34,000, and instead of 56,000 guys, you just have to pay 50,000. So guys, this would be the fee structure if you are applying this code. And along with it guys, what you guys are going to get, your course would be purely structured. Structured means after every class you will be getting DPP, you will be getting module. And point number two guys, along with the structure you will have live quizzes there, right? You will have mega quiz after completion of every topic. And then guys, the third point, you will have access to the recorded lecture of not just my lecture, but the recorded lecture and content of all the educators guys, all the educators. You can also watch them live. Next point guys, you will also have access to the iconic test series, by Unacademy. So guys, that is very important, because on YouTube we are delivering the lectures, but if you are preparing for IIT JEE, then only lectures are not sufficient guys. only lectures are not sufficient. You have to work on the analytical part as well as your paper temperament. So just 34,000 for 1 year or 50,000 for 2 year, it's a very small amount with respect to offline courses, guys. So I think you should go for it. And guys, thank you for this session, guys. Thank you for attending it, and I wish you again a very happy Diwali, guys. Good night. Bye bye, guys. Take care of you.